Hey everybody, welcome in. Ivan here, super excited. Unboxing video. Got this little box in the mail today, and I know what's in it. I haven't opened it. I got a box cutter. We're gonna open it. You're gonna see what I got. It is from my friends at Wahl Clipper. And if you've been on the web, you know Wahl recently had a really cool new item introduction, and you get to experience it with me. Look what I got. Look what I got. Isn't this cool? This is the new Wahl charge stand for the cordless clippers. And now, I got a clipper. I love this clipper. It's my 1919 100th anniversary Wahl adjustable blade clipper. And of course, it has a charge cord that came with it. But when it was introduced, it didn't have a charge stand. And now Wahl has a charge stand. So let's get it out of the box. Super excited to have this. It's got an adapter, all right. And it's got a little instruction manual. And it's got a charge stand. And it's got another little manual. And it's got a list of all the clippers that it fits. 100-year clipper, cordless senior, cordless magic clip, cordless designer, cordless Sterling 4. They all fit in here. And a really cool feature that was on the charge stand for my cordless detailer is the swivel feature in the back corner here. Check this out. Now, the clipper, looks like the clipper just drops in there like that. Fits in there beautifully. Stands up in there nice. That's the base. Take it out, put it in. Take it out, put it in. Pretty straightforward. It's going to look sharp on my station next to the cordless detailer. But this is the cool part. This is where the cord goes in. Because instead of putting the cord in the bottom of the clipper, we put the cord in the charging base, just like this. Hang on. Oh, no, I guess I need this adapter. What do I know? It's my first time using the thing. All right. I put this adapter in there. The adapter goes in there. And then the cord goes into the adapter. There you go. I was able to figure that out. Okay, so that's the cord coming off the adapter like that. Cord coming off the charger. And then the clipper goes in the charging base like that. And you put that on your styling station. But check this out. What if you want it sitting up against the mirror? What if you don't have a groove back there for the cords to drop through? What if the cords have to go along the bottom of the mirror and they have to go over to the side to go to where they plug in? You ready? Dum 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 dum. Look at that. It rotates 90 degrees. Now it's coming sideways off the back of the unit. Now it's coming straight off the back of the unit. Sideways, straight off the back of the unit. Really cool feature. I love that. That allows you the flexibility to set up your station the way you want. And in it goes to charge, out it goes to cut hair. The other end goes in the wall because it's a charge cord. And that's the new charging stand for the Wahl cordless clippers. Thank you, Wahl, for sending me one of these. I'm excited to use it. You got to get one. Have a great day.